The latest super battery life business single-ear Bluetooth headset. Flying Bird recommends M26 to you. It is very well crafted, like a work of art. The ear hanging part is made of soft rubber material, which is very comfortable to wear on the ear. Intelligent multi-point connection. One headset can connect to the Bluetooth of two mobile phones at the same time. High-quality large battery, with a single battery life of more than 20 hours. High middle bass tri-frequency processing, very perfect sound quality. High-definition calls to prevent sound leakage. Button operation, convenient and quick. Waterproof and sweatproof. Fast charging interface, energy saving and high efficiency. Suitable for self-driving, sports business. Flying Bird. Thank you for watching.